Hi children, good morning. The other day I posted the first part of the 8th lesson, that is Santosh Yadav, and I asked you to try to write the answers for the questions given at the end of the lesson in your running notes. Hope you all have tried. You wrote the answers in the running notes. Anyhow, today I am posting the answers for the questions in PDF format. You just compare your answers and then you write them in your fair notes. Today, let's complete the other two questions given at the end of the lesson, that is the grammar part. Third Roman number. Three sentences are given with some blanks, and you have to fill those blanks with the information given in the lesson. Let's look at the first sentence, children. From her room in Kasturba hostel, Santosh used to. So, what did she use it? What did she use to do? This answer you can find it in paragraph number 5, children. Go to para number 5 on page number 100. Yes. Here, see children. Paragraph number 5. I use it to watch villagers from my room going up the hill and suddenly vanishing after a while. So the question is, she used it to. Then we have to write this. Watch villagers going up the hill and suddenly vanishing after a while. This is how you have to fill the sentence, that blank. Use it to, then blank is given. Write in the blank. Watch villagers from her village going up the hill and suddenly vanishing after a while. Like this you have to write. And the second blank. What is the second blank, children? Second sentence. When she finished college, Santosh had to write a letter of apology to her father because you can find this answer in para number 6. Why did she write a letter conveying her apology to her father? See here, at the end of this paragraph, it is given on the end of the paragraph number 6. I had to write a letter of apology to my father, without whose permission I had got myself enrolled at Uttarkashi. So, in the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, she joined without permission. So, what should we write here in this blank, children? She had got herself enrolled at Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. Like that, we should write. Check your answer. I am telling once again. Because she had got herself enrolled at Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. Here given it is clear. Here just look at, just under this camera. Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. She had got herself enrolled at Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. That is the answer. Clear, children? Now look at the third sentence. During the Everest expedition, her seniors in the team admired her dash while and another blank. This answer you can find in para number 7, I think. Yes. Towards the end of this para 7, it is given. First blank we can write, see here, physical fitness and mental strength. Physical fitness and mental strength, you can write, admired her physical fitness and mental strength. And while what endeared her to them, look at here, her concern for others and desire to work together. Her concern for others and desire to work together with them. This is the second blank. Her concern for others and desire to work together with them. So this is the answer for the third blank. Okay, children. Now look at the fourth Roman number. What's there in the fourth Roman number? What are you asked? Pick out words from the text that mean the same as the following words or expressions. Look in the paragraphs indicated. Like explanation or meaning is given, you have to find out the word for which they are given. Took to be true without proof. In the first paragraph, you can check. Took to be true without proof. If you check in the first paragraph, you can find a word starts with A. Assume. Assume. Second one. Based on reason. Sensible. Reasonable. Sensible, reasonable, and it is based on some reason. Then you can find in the second paragraph, the word is rational. R-A-T-I-O-N-A-L. Rational. Next. The usual way of doing things. It's our dash, we say. It's our usual way of doing things. That is custom. Customs and traditions, we say custom. C-U-S-T-O-M. That's all. Custom. Next. A strong desire arising from within. Para number 5. Look at para number 5, children. A strong desire arising from within. We can call it urge. U-R-G-E. Urge. Urge. Next. The power to endure without falling ill. What can we say? This we all know that. This is a big hot. This is the big discussion nowadays. The power to endure without falling ill. It is resistance. We can call it R-E-S-I-S-T-E-N-C-E. Resistance. Okay. So these are the two grammar part questions given at the end of the first part of 8th lesson. That is paragraph. Yes, children. These are nothing else. Second part started. Maria Sharapova. This I'll explain in the next video. Okay, children. Now we completed the 4 exercises. First Roman number, second Roman number, question and answers. I'll send you notes for that. You can verify and rewrite in your fair notes. And third and fourth Roman number questions I explain now. Okay, children. In the next video, I'll explain the second part of this lesson, Maria Sharapova.